Hey, hope everyone's having a wonderful day. I want to share with you some thoughts that we had on income taxes versus just taking a holistic view of your business. I think a lot of business owners stress more so on income taxes than anything else. And I understand that. I mean, it's a large percentage expense on your income. You know, when you look at your net income and your taxable income, whether it be in a C Corp, whether it be on your personal income tax returns for partnerships and S corporations or self-employed individuals, income taxes is a large expense. And rightfully so, you need to think about that. And so there are some tax planning opportunities, some tax strategies that can be implemented to help either minimize those tax obligations or defer and postpone when those income taxes are due. But income taxes aren't an issue if you aren't successful in your business. So if you're not generating profits, generating income, you know, why stress over income taxes? So income taxes are a consequence of being profitable, being successful. So let's talk about how you're going to be successful and more profitable. We take a look at 5 aspects and areas of your business. We think there are 5 critical areas that you need to look at. And the first is just looking at your core. Now, that's core vision, core competencies, your purpose, your core purpose, core values. Understand why you do what you do. What do you believe in? What are you trying to communicate to your team, communicate to your customers? What do you stand for? Understand and document what that is, why you're in business, share that with everyone else, and then those that believe in and share what you do will find you. You can find one another and it'll generate a better customer base, better team members, better working environment, better service and products for your customers. So understand what your core is. The second aspect is looking at your team. Once you understand your core, you need to make sure you have the right team in place. Are you guys working on the right things at the right times? How are your dynamics, the relationships with each other? Hey, there's some great personality profile tests out there that are free. I use one called 16 Personalities. That's 16personalities.com. Check it out. You can get a free report. There are some paid options to it. I love the free report they provide. You can even sign up and have periodic emails that come through and provide you with just some invaluable information over different aspects of your life. How you react to stress in the workplace, how you react to personal relationships, financial matters. And it's eerily relevant and accurate. Take the report, and if you would share with us what your score is, what profile you fit under. I'll give you my email. You can invite me in. We can actually do a side-by-side comparison. Do it with your team. Do it with your team members. Share your personalities reports with each other. You'll learn better how to work with one another in different situations. The third aspect, so we'll look at core and we'll look at team. The third aspect is to look at your operations. Understand the revenue side, the expense side, and your processes. Where are you generating income from? What are you doing that generates income? How do you do that? What's your pricing? Understand your expenses. Where are your costs at? So understand your expenses, understand your cost. Where's your money going? We know some is going to income tax. Payroll is a large cost. Maybe it's overhead cost of occupancy, buildings and rent and utilities. So understand what's driving cost, making sure you're efficient on the cost side, but also think about your revenues. Where are you generating? Are you pricing properly for the products and services you provide? Understand how that whole customer sales process goes. Are you targeting the right markets? Are you onboarding customers the right way so that they have positive experiences? Take a look also at the fourth item is financial. Finances have to come in here at some time. We want to make sure we're measuring the right things. We have timely, up-to-date financial reports. You need a proper accounting system in place. I'm an accountant. I'm going to tell you you need that, and you need to believe it because it's true. You need to be able to capture the right information at the right time. Make sure that we have different metrics in place. We need to know what to measure and what to monitor. We have key performance indicators, KPIs, so we can look at 3 to 5, maybe no more than 10. You want a small group of those things that you can measure on a periodic basis, whether it be daily, weekly, monthly, to know if you're on the right track. Did we get the results that we had hoped for, had expected and intended? And if we didn't, we need to put the brakes on and understand what's happening. Look at leading indicators. What is it that you can measure that's telling us if we're on the right track? Are we going down the right path? And is it going to lead us with the results that we expect? Also, please put your accounts online in a process that you and your accountant and business advisor can work together. Collaborative platforms. There's Xero, there's QuickBooks Online, there's Expensify. There's multiple options being able to save data online so that both of you can come in real time, share those documents, and get together and know how it's all working. Okay, we need to have access to this data in real time so that we can advise one another on what's going on. Processes. Document what you do. Okay, part of that financial part is just documenting everything you can that are critical to the business. Okay, document your sales processes, document your customer delivery processes. Make sure all those things are in place so you can follow it. And review those periodically for efficiencies and look for things that might can improve on overall. Next part is to take a look at customers. So we looked at core, team, operations, finance, customers. Customers is just maybe the most important. If you don't have customers, you're not going to be in business. What is their experience like when they interact with you? When they buy, when the service or product is delivered, how do they feel? What's their overall experience? So as they interact with you, your business, your team, your website, your social media pages, emails that go out, the physical facilities. So when they come in and if they walk into a grungy, dirty office, they're not going to expect a premium service, right? All right, so think about the customer experience overall. Remember those 5 areas we talked about. If we can help you, let us know. There is a download guide on our website at purposeaccountants.com. You can go as to 5 critical questions you should be answering. And we pose some different questions in these areas. And once again, it's dealing with your core, dealing with your team, your operations, your finance, and your customers. Okay, so take a look at that. If you have any questions, let us know. Hope you guys have a great day. Take care.